What is Milagro? Milagro is an AI-powered marketing automation platform that builds a profile of every customer's shopping behavior in order to drive sales and profitability through effective and individualized marketing. A typical business implements and relies on their loyalty program, which at the very best is 25 to 30% of their customer base, and they tend to ignore the other 70 to 75% of their customers. Milagro builds a profile of every customer, not just the loyalty customers. Think of us as Google for your restaurants. Gone are the days that you would send out a kids eat free offer to 1.2 million customers and you expect them to all take the same result, even though some may not have kids. You are no longer relevant if you're sending the same marketing message to all of your customers and expecting them to take the same action. Some may not drink, some may not like chicken, some may not have kids, and you're still wondering why your marketing campaign success rate is at 1%. It's no surprise, your content is irrelevant. Milagro set out to fix this problem by focusing on actually the customer, not just the restaurant owner. We said forget the restaurant owner. You're the easiest part of this equation. We all know what you want. You want to increase sales and profitability, decrease cost. If we can accomplish one or two, then you will sign up. Otherwise, you just simply ignore it and move on. Because your expectations are too simple and it can be summed in 2 sentences, we decided to focus on the end user, the actual customer. If we're able to bring the customer back into the restaurant, get them to spend more money or increase the average check, therefore increasing sales and profitability, or help you be more efficient, then you will sign up. Let's go through an actual example of a customer journey. Let's say it's 6 p.m. and I want to go to a restaurant. There's at least 1 hour wait time. I just simply join the wait list from the Smart Wait. I put my first name, last name, and my mobile number. I get a text message confirming that I've joined the wait list, and I'll show up 5 minutes before my table is ready and I'm seated like a VIP. You should be treating every customer like a VIP. As soon as the customer is seated, now the smart POS system knows that the customer is seated, John, table 44, with 4 people in his party. Now everyone can just simply open up the camera on their phone, point it to the QR code, look at the entire menu electronically, be able to look at pictures of the menu, read reviews about other customers on an individual item, be able to even order directly from the smart menu without even downloading an app. And as soon as the transaction is completed and it's paid for, it automatically uploads to the cloud. So now we know it was John, we have his mobile number, and we know exactly what items he ordered, and the entire purchase history is uploaded to the cloud. So now let's say the next day, John gets an email, a personal message from the manager that says, "Hi John, we noticed you came in yesterday and please provide us your feedback. And in exchange for your feedback, we'll give you a free appetizer." And John logs into the website, provides the feedback. Of course, we have our smart logic system, which determines whether he had a good or a bad experience. If he had a positive experience, we automatically show him a social media page. He can like you on Facebook, tweet about you, or leave a review directly on Yelp or Google page for that specific location. Clearly, if they had a negative experience, we wouldn't even show them the social media links. So they would have no way to share that directly from the service system. So now we're driving profitability and measuring the actual ROI on each individual customer. Let's say we give John a $5 off coupon and he comes in, spends $50 every time. And we give another $5 off coupon to Tom, but Tom only spends $10. So we shouldn't be wasting our time, energy, effort, or marketing dollars on Tom and just let him come in when he wants to come in. However, John, we will reward him every time he comes in so we can keep bringing him back in because we have a higher ROI on John. So this is all about the customer journey. Now let's touch base on the management of the system. The entire system is designed from cloud and you can manage it online. You could sign up through the website and be up and running within a couple of hours rather than weeks. You could update your menu electronically, you could update pricing, you could change and reroute the way that the items print in the kitchen or at the bar. All of that is controlled through the web. A brand with 500 locations can manage the entire business using an IT team of just 1. So we covered the customer journey, we covered the management of the system, now cost. The entire platform is built to be very inexpensive and very easy to get up and running. It's entirely DIY, so you could actually have the manager do the installation, and a complete kit will cost just over $1,000. Go to the website, sign up for a free trial. You'll be up and running within a couple of hours, and you'll see the power of Milagro. If you're not using Milagro and your competitors are using the platform, you will eventually lose out because of their effective and individualized marketing versus your mass marketing with your brand.